It has been almost 2 months since I uploaded the last video about my own game, and I have so many things to say. Firstly, I'm sorry that I did not post a video in this time, but I was busy and I worked on the game a lot. Secondly, I want to say that I made a big change in the game. Actually, I made two big changes in the game. The first change is that I no longer make the game in Python, because I had a lot of problems with turning the game into an executable. And the second change is that I will make the game in 3D from scratch. But the problem is that I don't have any experience with OpenGL, so right now I'm just learning how to use it. But this is not all. I want to show you the progress that I made in the 2D version of the game, because there are some changes from the last video. After that, I will tell you some details about the game and its future. So, there are some changes in the 2D version since the last video. I fixed the bug where the chef glitches through the objects, but now there's a different bug, where the chef glitches when he touches more than one object at a time. I also started working on the walls of the restaurant, but I couldn't finish them before I changed to 3D. But now I will tell you why I decided to remake the game in 3D. The biggest reason is the thing that it's so hard to turn a Python script into an executable, because in most cases the Windows Defender and other antiviruses detect the resulted executable as a Trojan, and I don't know why or how to fix this. But this is not the only reason. Another reason is that I thought that the game is pretty plain in 2D and has no depth. So I decided to make the game in 3D, but how's it going? So far I didn't do much things. I started by drawing a triangle, then a square. I made a camera that can move in 3D space. After that I made a block. Then after a few days of coding I successfully rendered a 3D object on the screen. And for now this is the progress. The next thing that I need to do is to add normal maps, lights and shadows to the game. Right now the game is on GitHub, but it's private. I will make it public and I will probably make some live streams while working on the game.